Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 30th, 2026, and we're diving into Aon's fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Aon has reported a strong performance for the quarter and the year, showcasing their robust growth model and strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Aon reported a total revenue of $4.3 billion for the fourth quarter, marking a 4% increase from the previous year. John, can you elaborate on the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 5% organic revenue increase, supported by strong performance in their risk capital and human capital segments. The adjusted operating margin also saw a significant expansion to 35.5%, reflecting operational efficiencies and strategic cost management.
And how did this translate into earnings per share?
Aon's adjusted EPS for the quarter was $4.85, which is a 10% increase from last year and above the analyst forecast of $4.76. This demonstrates Aon's ability to convert revenue growth into bottom-line profitability effectively.
Debt management and cash flow. Moving on to Aon's financial health, the company has made significant strides in debt management. Can you tell us more about this, John?
Sure. Aon paid down $1.9 billion in debt over the year, achieving their leverage objectives by the fourth quarter. This positions them well for future investments and shareholder returns. Additionally, they reported a 16% growth in free cash flow for the quarter, reaching $1.4 billion in cash provided by operations.
That's impressive. How does this impact their strategic initiatives moving forward?
With a strong balance sheet, Aon is well-positioned to pursue high-return M&A opportunities and continue their capital return to shareholders, aligning with their disciplined capital allocation strategy.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, Aon has introduced guidance for 2026. What are the key highlights, John?
Aon expects mid-single-digit or greater organic revenue growth, along with a 70 to 80 basis points expansion in adjusted operating margin. CEO Greg Case emphasized the strong execution of their 3x3 plan, which accelerates their client-centric Aon United strategy.
How does this position Aon in the market?
With strategic investments in data-driven insights and capabilities, Aon is well-equipped to meet rising client demand and navigate an increasingly complex environment. This positions them to generate sustainable growth and create long-term shareholder value.